All right, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the KKuyi truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds, okay? So what we're gonna do today in this video is I'm gonna demonstrate how the earbuds look on my head and in my ears, and then I'm gonna give y'all two audio tests. We're gonna give y'all one leakage test, and then we're going to try and give y'all one audio sample. So hopefully by the end of this video, y'all get an idea of how the earbuds may potentially look on your head and in your ears. If your head structure and ear structure is similar to mine, you'll get a general idea of how they may potentially look, as well as getting a general idea of the overall leakage that comes out of them, as well as a nice sound sample as best we could. So first thing I want to do for y'all here is I just want to show y'all what they look like, give y'all a nice close-up so you can see they are labeled very nicely, okay? And you do have your LED light up front, so you can see this is the right earbud, all right? And then down here, we do have the primary microphone right down here. Spinning this over, okay? We have the primary charging lead right there, so really good stuff. All right, really nice close-up of the right earbud. Let me drop this in. So put this in here. And again, now more than ever, when you deal with an earbud style like these, you definitely need to take the time to get the right earbud size so you get the most comfortable fit and the best sound isolation. Okay, so dropping in the right earbud, it's ready to go. Now let me give you a close-up of the left, and then we'll drop this one in as well. So again, as you can see, got your primary LED right there, your indicator as to which earbud it is. So this is the left earbud. And again, you have your primary microphone right down there, okay? So really good stuff. And then flipping it to the back, you got your primary charging lead right there. So good stuff there. Now let's drop this in my ear as well, okay? And it just goes right in. Nice tight seal, nice snug fit. Now I do have the medium sized tips. Now wait. These were the large tips that I put on these. So these are the large tips on these earbuds here today. So now I'm just gonna turn my head and give y'all a nice profile of it. So let's turn to the right, and you can see what the right earbud looks like. And we do have full touch controls over here, okay? So we're going to go over the touch controls more in the full review, but this is so y'all can get a general idea of what they look like in my ears. And honestly, I hope I'm not talking too loud into the microphone, because the microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth, and I can't really hear myself talk with these earbuds in. So I hope I'm not yelling right now. If I am, I do apologize. So this is what the right looks like. Turning to the left, this is what the left looks like, okay? Really good stuff. And you can see facing front, giving y'all a nice front profile. You can't even tell I have anything in my ears, okay? So really good stuff there. Okay, so that goes over the overall fitting portion of the video. Now what I want to do is I'm going to start the music, and then we're going to check for leakage, okay? So just to make sure, let's max out the volume. Okay, so volume is maxed out, and then let me let y'all see here. So y'all can see it right there. Oh, well, the headphones told me it was maxed out, but it's still a little short. So now it's at max volume, as you can see there. Now let's go ahead and push play, and y'all let me know if y'all can hear any leakage. Let's go. Okay, hold on. Let's pause that. Man, it sounds good. Whew. Yes. Okay. The overall sound quality on these are really good. In terms of the bass, it's like balanced. It's not too soft. It's not too punchy. It's a nice balanced bass to it. So it's really good as well. So really good stuff. And man, at max volume, I can't hear anything but what I'm listening to. These sound great. Yes. All right, now let me restart the music. And I'm going to hold it up to the microphone, which is on my shirt right here, and give y'all a nice audio sample. So give me 1 second, fix my shirt back, and let's push play. And let me hold them up to the mic. Here we go. Here we go, right to the mic here. And we'll do this for about 15 seconds, starting now. Let me give y'all an extra 10. Okay, that'll do it. Drop these back in real quick. Alright. Pause the music real fast. Whoop. Alright, my bad. Didn't mean to hit next. Alright, so pausing the music real quick. There you guys and gals have it. Real quick fitting demonstration, real quick sound demonstration as well. So I hope this video helps y'all out, and I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. Now, this video was recorded using the front and the rear facing cameras on the S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. That being said, y'all know the whole rest of the spiel. Okay, we are using external audio. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Have a good one. Peace. We out of here.